All right, well, I'm here, and I went to Target just the other day and did a little vlog about that. So I'm gonna show you that, and got a few good sets there. I don't believe I did purchase one thing. I did purchase a little car set type thing. You'll see that in there. But yeah, I'm just kind of testing out my green screen. As you can tell, I finally fixed the problem that I've been having with this green screen all this time, and hopefully I can duplicate that again. I tested it out, and just had to make sure my light was on back there behind me. So if that interests you, it's coming up after this. Alright, I'm here in Eureka again. I think I did a vlog about a week ago. So I'm over here at Target to check out the Lego. Doesn't seem to change much here, but I figure I stop by here and see what they got. I might pick something up. I don't know yet. So this is the closest thing we have to a Lego store within 300 miles. So it's pretty much a Lego store, just without the pad wall. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm coming up on the. Looks like they might have gotten some more in stock. We still got the Bowser they had last time. I got the guitar down there. A few extra. What's that? Oh, the disco or dynamite disco right there. So that's $100 USD. They didn't have that last time. Pretty much everything's the same. They even have Transformers. They didn't have that either. 180. Back to Future down there. And the train track. And the, love to get that someday. You got the new passenger train. They didn't have that last time. They didn't even have a track to go with it. They were really in stock with that. What about 3 or 4, 5, 6? I got a few things. Avatar. And then you got the non-Lego stuff. I think Mega Blocks or whatever they're called now. You got the Groot. They got the regular Groot. They got Groot and they got the Venom Groot. It's the same price. Nope, actually Venom Groot's cheaper. It's $50. Like $5 is different. Still got Sonic and pretty much everything I covered last time. A lot of Mario coming out. A lot of new Mario sets. I got a whole entire set of Mario. I need to do like a review on those, like on the whole collection or whatever, sometime soon. Star Wars. They got the new Millennium Falcon. I believe that's the newest one. And that's 161. Other than that, it's pretty much the same. I don't see anything that interests me right now. Look at that. What the heck is that? It's just a little tiny set. It's weird. So, alright, well, come around here to the city area. See what we got here. This changes a lot, though. I guess because it's more for kids. A lot of friends. This is pretty much the same here. Oh, they even have that. I saw that doubled up on Brixie. I wouldn't mind getting 2 of those if I ever had about $200 or $89 at Target. doing the same thing he did, botanical garden. That'd be cool in the city, just like he did. But so they even got the, what's that called? The Heart Lake City Community Center. I don't know if anybody's done one on that. That looks pretty modular, actually. Oh, it looks open in the back, though. So, yeah, I can't really pick them up and show you because I have a cane, so kind of like one-handed here. Dreams. There's your new roller coaster creator roller coaster, 3-in-1. I don't think they had that last time either. Pretty much everything else is the same. I got a little S32. A couple of those. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna pick anything up today. You have to be really something small like that right now. So I got this. Yeah, the light came on for me. Got a shark and, or what we call a hammerhead shark. So I have some of those up here. I think they have one for the friends too. I can see it down there. And they got some more. They got the Sonic in the front here. Looks like they've been selling out pretty good. They keep it pretty good in stock. It's not perfect, but they do pretty good. Let's see if I can find any more. Yeah, there's some more displays. Some heads here. Some helmets. Light's not coming on. There's a sensor on it. Other than that, they even got the Harry Potter. Well, what do you call it? I don't know if that's the. Those are pretty tiny though. That is really small. Should be smaller than the original. Yeah, this is that down there, right there. Yeah, those seem to be very, very tiny compared to modelers anyway. You'd have to almost get 2 sets to give them the size that you need. There's another one that they have. This is this one right here. That goes for 50, which that's not too bad for 50. So pretty much all the Technics are 50. We have a lot of Speed Champions. Those, I got pretty much every one of them. Good ones anyway. Well, they're all good, but I think that's the only display on there. I got a Sonic the Hedgehog display there. I think that's the one with the plane, but I'm not sure. Usually they have it next to the one it represents. 7690. No, that's not that way. They don't have that one in right now, it looks like. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So, that's the vlog. So, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and that way you'll receive more notifications when I upload a new one. So I upload them pretty much every couple of days, usually on Tuesdays and Sundays mostly, or at least. So, see ya. Bye. It's been a couple of hours since I was at Target. I came back and I went and picked this up. Had to come back out here again. It's electric sports car. So it's just cheap little $10, $9.99. So that's how I picked that up for the city. And since I don't have much vehicles, I only got a lot of Speed Champion vehicles, so I picked this up. But yeah, it's pretty late. It's getting dark. So, alright. So, I'll see you later. Bye.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.